Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to install and enable the product sort in stock first module, which helps display in-stock products before out-of-stock ones across your store. First, log into the admin area of your website. After installing the module, go to Modules, then open Extensions. Here, use the quick search field to find the product sort in stock first module. Toggle the switch to enable it. Once enabled, the module starts working automatically. This module can be combined with other sorting methods. For example, products can still be sorted by price, while in-stock items are always shown first. This behavior applies to all product listings, including categories, brands, and new products. As a result, available products are prioritized throughout the store, helping customers find purchasable items faster and improving the overall shopping experience. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to stay tuned for further updates.